Aren't we all curious about knowing all the details before getting our favorite phone? If you are a Samsung user, then this one's for you. With the launch of the Samsung S23 Ultra, it's important to analyze all the aspects and features of this phone. Let me tell you, the soon-to-be-launched Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a great combination of style and functionality. Well, do you want to know more? Let's get moving. There's been a great deal of speculation recently about how the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will look, with many assuming it will be a minor design upgrade from the Galaxy S22 Ultra. One well-known report has been busy informing everyone that Samsung has made the screen flatter by squaring off the corners and edges, which has alarmed some fans who appreciate the S22 Ultra's curvy appearance. Technical Concept, on the other hand, has created concept renderings of how the Galaxy S23 Ultra might look with its flattened display, and they're quite striking. You would be surprised to know that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will most likely have a 6.8-inch display similar to its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The approximate dimensions of the upcoming smartphone are 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.8 millimeters, which is slightly wider than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which measured 163.3 by 77.9 by 8.9 millimeters. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will have the thinnest bezel of any S-series phone to date. While the size remains unchanged, Samsung will improve peak brightness, color accuracy, screen reflectance, and HDR performance. So, those looking for minimal blurring when playing games and watching sports, as well as maximum battery efficiency when reading static content such as text, will have to pay a premium for the rumored S23 Ultra. The device's power button and volume rockers are located on the right spine of the smartphone. The bottom of the device houses the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, and SIM tray. The positioning of the camera module is identical to that of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The two small sensors on the right side, on the other hand, are flush with the rear panel, which is a significant change. The sensor's metal frames are larger than those of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This time, the smartphone's side curves are not as curved. Is it good or bad for users? Let me know in the comments section. On the front, we'll see thin bezels all around, with a punch hole in the top middle for the placement of the front camera, which will be used for selfies and video calls. There have been numerous leaks and rumors about the smartphone on the market as of late. According to one of them, the smartphone will be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is one of the best camera phones money can buy, but if now it is prominently believed, photography fans will be blown away by the picture quality of its successor, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Heads up if you're a camera lover. According to some reports, Samsung will make a decent impact in the industry because it will have a 200-megapixel primary shooter that will provide better camera prowess. Another thing to note is that the device could come with the S Pen, which we saw in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra as seen in the renders. Also, with the concept video, 4RMD has clearly done its homework, as it includes many details about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra that have been leaked or heavily rumored in recent months. Also, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will have the model number SM-S9180 and will support 25-watt fast charging. This could be a deal breaker for the audience, given that its predecessor supports 45-watt fast charging. The 25-watt charging variant may only be available in China. The device could benefit from improved charging support. Samsung appears to be following the same strategy in producing a brand new flagship with just enough incremental improvements, such as better cameras, to keep Android fans coming back for more. Overall, there's no denying that this concept video makes the S23 Ultra look more appealing than ever before, especially in the Bora purple colorway, which we think looks great on the handset. Let's hope Samsung includes the colorway with the official phone release. Well, one thing is sure, whether or not these improvements will be enough for Android phone users to choose the S23 Ultra remains to be seen. And with incredibly powerful rival handsets like the Google Pixel 7 Pro and Xiaomi Mi 12T Pro already on the market, Samsung will have its work cut out for it to retain its King of Android title in 2023. Well, with that said, what do you think about this video? For more exciting and informative videos, keep watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more.